Failure, failure, failure.
Today, I want to share my story about milling polycarbonate. And yes, it was a tough lesson. The first time I worked on PC, I was super confident. My cutting settings looked great. But guess what? The moment I started cutting, there were no chips, just the smell of burnt plastic. It looked dull and so the tool was covered with metal plastic. That's when I knew there was a chemical-style collapse in machining. PC looks like glass, but it's more sensitive than your boss. It's tough and strong, great for light covers, bulletproof glass, and medical housings. But when it gets hot, it becomes soft. You get muted edges, sticky tools, string chips, all the problems. So I learned few life-saving tips. Number 1. Keep spindle speed low. I stay around 8,000 to 12,000 RPM. Keeping cool is key. Number 2. Don't go too slow. 700 to 1,000 millimeter per minute works fine. Too slow means hot cut. Hot cut means muted plastic. Number 3. Always use cooling. I tried dry cutting once. Both the tool and the part died. Now I use air cooling or mist spray. Clean cut, no muted edges, and even the chips sound happy. In the end, milling PC isn't hard, but it needs care. It's like a picky client. You need skill, patience, and a bit of emotion support. So next time someone tells you plastic is easy to machine, tell them the story of PC. Don't ask me how I know. I'm candid. I've been there.